Hey, you got some screws loose there?
And how do you know that?
Muscle memory. Thick.
Press it, BJ. It's going.
Is it?
Yes.
It's not going. It's never going. Are we building stuff?
I think we are.
What are we building?
We're building all of this stuff. We've got some new motherboards, some new cases, more in my car. Got some RTX 3070 Ti's, some i7s. It's gonna be a busy day, or a couple of days. We're still waiting on a couple of 3070s to come in, but as soon as they come in, I go to Micro Center, pick them up, and then we just build another one. But today we're going to be building at least 2 or 4 of these new PC builds we're doing for the Hit Network esports team. So let's go grab the rest of the stuff and have some fun.
Yeah, you excited building these though? Like, I've been staring at this case for a hot minute, and having the PSU and, well, we're actually using NVMe drives, so the drive caddies don't super matter. But being able to do the PSU on one side, and then I think the Commander Pro and everything else for the RGB, having that isolated, and the cable management seems phenomenal on these, so I'm actually excited to get that nice cleanness.
Yeah, these things are thick, but thick. But it's gonna be a fun day. I've never built in these cases before, so it's gonna be a first time for me.
And your first computer build?
Yes, ever.
Ever. We've never built computers before.
I've built about 300 desktops before back when I worked in retail, so this isn't anything new to me, but it has been like 2 or 3 years since I've built anything major. So it's gonna be a fun day.
Yeah, and remember, the thermal paste goes between the CPU and the socket.
Wait,
What?
I thought you were supposed to use mayo.
Yes, or mayo. People don't tell you about that. Or cream of tartar.
Techie secret, we always use mayo.
Always.
So let's go grab the rest of the cases and get to work.
So,
All right, you ready to get this going, BJ?
right, rock and roll. Let's get this Corsair going. Let's start that over. I can't cuss.
No, you can.
Oh, can't? All right,
You
look.
can just bleep it. Work, you can.
All right.
We'll bleep it out.
I'm actually excited about these. Do we have knives? No.
No, I've got tools though. Pop them open with, or you can use a bit from there. You know, maybe one day we get lucky and somebody loves us,
Nobody loves this.
and maybe iFixit will sponsor us.
Resistance is great. Yeah, these are good.
These are,
girthy boys.
holy hell. Still not the biggest case I've built yet.
So I might need to find a little screwdriver.
Oh god.
Well, the little one works, but not the extension.
Oh, I got you.
Alright.
Ooh, that is pretty.
Yeah. And you have to isolate all the PSUs and everything over there.
Ooh, it opens.
Yeah.
Ooh.
I'm very excited about these.
Can I get in? Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
These. So we got the Gundam editions.
I need to see this. Open it up. I need to see this.
Well, I'm showing you everything real quickly. Some RGB Corsair.
He's getting
32 gigabytes, 3600.
See, BJ, you know what you forgot?
A pleb i7, 11700K.
Oh, we forgot. You have to wear an Oculus the whole time while you do this.
The whole time.
That sounds like hell. Damn, these are pretty.
What? No, it was.
It nearly, destroyed the game market.
Oh, look at the back of the board.
Oh, that's actually sick.
Oh, that's dope.
No, senpai! Do we have a screwdriver anywhere else in the building? Like these just.
You can borrow mine as much as.
I literally just lost the bit in here.
Let me.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is what we call quality content right here. Okay?
Or qualitats. This is so bad. I don't. Yeah, we may not have M.2 screws.
That's okay.
Is it?
That's okay.
Is it? Oh, wait, or is that a little, no. Is that a little twist tab? It's the little twist tab.
Okay, so.
Yeah. Oh, that's sick as, look at the top.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Okay, so no, we don't need this screw.
That is super sick. I'm used to seeing screws. That was gonna get stuck in my head for a hot minute. Did you just launch it?
Yep.
So is this one channel, and then that's one channel?
Correct. You want to go gray first.
Gray for sure?
Yeah.
And how do you know
Muscle memory.
that? Even on an Asus board?
Mm-hmm. I mean, I can double check the manual just to be sure. Like, I'm not one of those guys that's like, no, you don't read the manual. You need to know how to do this by heart.
Look at my RAM. Look at it now.
Every single thought makes me want to die.
You want the crunch sound, right?
Yes.
Okay.
That's why I hate popping in RAM, because I know it's something that you kind of have to force a decent bit, but I just hate that you have to force it. Because it's like, I've seen so many videos of kids not knowing how to install RAM, and they force it a little too hard, and the entire channel breaks, and I'm like,
I've almost got it. Oh, I guess that goes in the broken pile.
alright, so we're going on to the power supply.
Somebody is.
Where did I put my screws?
So it's like Star Trooper team.
Ooh, we didn't
Star Trooper? The word you were looking for was stormtrooper.
Whatever.
First off.
Oh my gosh!
And also no.
retraining my brain a little bit.
Oh, dude, this is lame. Oh, never mind. Okay, no, you're exactly good. Well,
Yeah.
You know you don't need a monitor for post, right?
I want to.
Oh, I respect that.
I love how he puts it on top of the PC.
Do people not know what we're working on right now?
oh, you're building a refrigerator, right?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know.
Yeah.
I'm scared.
There's only one way to find out.
Press it, BJ!
Oh,
Lights? Ooh, that's pretty.
oh,
Monitor?
you have power.
Well, we don't. It's not screaming at me yet.
We gotta see it on the monitor though.
Oh, I have to go into the motherboard, not the GPU, because the GPU is not even a thing yet.
Ooh,
Oh, that's hot.
Really pretty builds.
That's hot.
she pretty.
So it's all lit up, BJ. Not posting on the screen though.
Well, it's not yelling at me.
That's good.
That's very important.
It is pretty looking though.
Very quiet.
It is very quiet. To be continued.
Maybe. All the nerds in the room said that you don't go off the motherboard when posting. You go off the motherboard when posting. But yeah, we're posted.
Post.
Boom.
First try. That's sexy.